me?
Yes.
Yes. Come.
I'm saying that is a very positive development, eh?
Yes.
Because he's invoking a section of law
Yes.
which says the advocate for any government agency is the AG.
Aha.
So when any other any other law firm is acting,
yes,
they do it with the permission of the Attorney General.
Oh, very good.
Okay?
Yes.
So in other words, that panel, Maruno, okay?
Yes.
He's basically saying he wants to do it himself.
Oh, good.
Yeah? Video. So him as your advocate is a much better situation to be in than having those lawyers who are leaning towards Chebukati.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's basically that is a very positive development.
Yes.
So on a good you should cooperate, but then when he comes, I'm going to try to reach him, but when he comes, I'll raise this with him. You're raising that thing, Mara Chebukati acting outside the law by making unilateral decisions.
Yes.
Now, what do you do apart from calling the plenary that you guys are asking for?
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
You cannot stand by as the law is being continues to be subverted by Chebukati.
Yes.
Postponing elections.
Yeah.
Going to issue gazette notices at will.
Yeah.
And before even some of the issues that have been raised by the presidential campaign, the just concluded election, have been sorted out.
Yes.
So if we are going to do Mombasa and Kakamega with the same faulty architecture, right?
Yeah.
Then it means you're going to subvert the law knowingly.
Yes.
Okay? So I've talked with a few advocates and I'll get back to you what they say, but bring it up with it because unilateral action by Chebukati is illegal.
Absolutely.
Okay?
Yeah.
Now, you can cry, but you should look at the option of him being restrained by court. Yeah.
Okay.
Because if he's restrained by court, all right, that is not too much of a prayer.
Yeah.
I mean, you cannot be in the pleading choir.
Of course.
That, oh, please, Mr. Chairman, just come. We want to meet with you. No, it has to be enforced by law.
Woye.
Eh?
We cannot be a woye.
Hey, woye.
Yeah,
Hey, you understand?
I mean,
yeah. So bring that with him, but then I'm going to talk with the others.
Yeah.
And also, get your team to talk with one voice. You say, this man is committing.
Yeah.
He's subverting the law. He did it at Bomas. He continues to do it right now. You have not been able to even have a plenary. So the organization is operating outside the IBC Act.
Yes.
Should that continue?
Not at all.
In the place of begging this guy whether to come for a meeting or not, I think it should be enforced by law.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So can you take that up? Because I think that would be a course of action.
Yes.
That we can, that is not injecting anybody. That is getting them to act within the law.
Yes.
And if you get that order, that would be big news.
Indeed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Power.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Please pick my phone.
And no, Coco can understand it, bro. I mean, I think what you need.
Yeah, you know what's happening, eh? We're the weekend.
Yeah.
If you don't have anything to say,
Yeah.
What narrative are people going to have over the weekend? Do you understand what I mean?
I hear you.
Yeah.
And that's what I'm dealing with, because my people say,
Yeah.
remove this.
No problem.
And
So what I'm requesting, remove anything on which you don't have consensus.
Okay.
Remove.
Okay.
Don't resist that.
Those are the things that we are working on.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
You see, if you don't, just put the very minimum, even if it's just 2 paragraphs.
Yes.
But the very minimum that you can agree on.
Yes.
Why? If you don't do anything, by the time people are going for the weekend, the narrative in the weekend, these guys will be clobbering you.
Then that's what I'm sending.
Yeah?
That's what I'm sending. Just give me a moment.
But explain to them that media needs some meat.
Some meat.
You have to throw to them.
Yeah.
At your disadvantage.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Let me just get this.
To remove every paragraph, every sentence that you guys are discussing. But please, something must go. And we already talked to these guys, and they're expecting something from you.
Okay.
So if now we tell them you are not going to give it, and yesterday you postponed. Look at this, you guys you don't know what you're doing.
No. Let's
please.
Okay.